Hey guys, today in this video session I will discuss about how to implement a primary site in SCCM. So let us begin. Starting with this console, you have to select the first option, install a configuration manager primary site. Do not check the second option because that is for standalone primary site. So after clicking it, you can click the next. So after clicking next, you will get this console, and in this console you will have to provide database information, that is SQL server name which you are using and the database name. So fill up these columns and the port number will be 4022 and click next. In this console you have to specify the communication settings, that is HTTP or HTTPS, by which method the clients will communicate with the site server. So accordingly you can choose the correct option and proceed with the next. In this window you have to select the site system roles, that is whether you want to install a management point or a distribution point. So accordingly you have to provide FQDN and the client connection method, that is HTTP or HTTPS. Similar for the distribution point, you have to provide the FQDN and the client connection method, and after proceeding with next you will be able to implement a primary site in SCCM. Thank you for watching this video, and I do hope you must have learned the steps to implement a primary site in SCCM. If you do have any queries, please post out your queries in the comments and I will definitely respond to those. Let us meet in the next video with new topic. Until then, goodbye, take care.